Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monica and today we're filming a spring fling makeup look. I really wanted to film a makeup look to kind of inspire you guys if you're in a funk at home, because I know that you can kind of feel no need to put on makeup at the moment. We're not really going anywhere, but this is just a fun look that you can take some time out of your day to put together, and it really does make you feel a lot better and more awake and more ready to do stuff when you have a face of makeup on. At least that's how I feel. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more content on my page. So without further ado, let's get into the look. Okay guys, so I previously recorded applying my moisturizer and lip balm, but for some reason my camera just decided to glitch out and fully erase all of that. So I'm just going to mention the products again. So I go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice Moisturizer and I apply that as a primer. And then I use my Smith's Rosebud Salve Lip Balm to get my lips ready so that by the time I'm done with this whole routine, I can apply my lipstick and have it look nice and clean. The next product I'm going in with is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. And then with my foundation brush, I'm going to blend that out. The next thing I'm going in with is my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Nude. I'm applying this under my eyes. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Baking Powder. Once that's done, I'm going into my DIOR contour palette and I'm using the shade Light. Then I'm taking my MAC shadow brush, this is 224, and I'm going in with the shade Light and defining my crease. Then I'm going into the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to go into the shade Puree, which is a warm brown shade, and with the same MAC brush, I'm going to add that on. I'm taking the shade Charmed I'm Sure, and kind of lining my eye a little bit, but very loosely, adding a smoky effect. And then I'm using a KYLIE liquid lip in the shade King K, and this is to cut my crease. I'm using a small highlight brush and I'm taking the shade Luscious and covering up the liquid lip. Then I'm going into my DIOR highlight palette and I'm using the shade Blush, which is a pink highlight. And I'm going to do my brow bones with this and my inner eye corner. Once that's done, I'm going to line my eye. Alright, now we're going in with our lashes, and I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Farrah. Alright, now that the lashes are on, we're going to go in with our brow pencil. And first thing I'm going to do is brush my brows out a little, then go in and define them. Then I'm going in with my Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. Then with the highlighting palette that I was using before from DIOR, I'm going back in the shade Blush. And I'm applying it on my cheekbone and also over here. So the last step for this look is to go in with a lip liner, and this is from NYX and it's called Nutmeg. It's SPL 811. And then I'm going in with the lipstick from KYLIE Cosmetics. This is in the shade Mont Blanc. And it's a beautiful brown shade Nude. And there we go. That is everything involved in this look. and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more upcoming videos.